Family and friends, top of the day, it's Monday and it's time for some motivation. So let's open up the floodgates. The 203K loan might be considered a superpower after this video for some of my investors, family, and friends. First, you must meet the Basic Fair Housing Act, also known as FHA, to get started. What are these requirements, you ask? It's going to be a 580 credit score with 3% down for both the purchase price and repairs. You see an abandoned home for $50,000, repair costs are at $25,000, so now you have to find 3% of $75,000 or 10% of $75,000 if your credit score is less than 580. Stay with me. Without meeting the required credit score, you now have to come up with $7.5K instead of the original $2,250 at 3%. Again, stay with me. I'm good with math, but I'm not even about to attempt to explain the financials. That's why I utilize my good folks from my Program C package. I already know y'all gonna make me the middleman, and that's okay, because this means that you have identified Program B, my preferred package, as the most beneficial to you in your situation. For my investors, this now gives you the opportunity to expand your resources without using your liquid assets. Now, the only catch is that the property must eventually become your primary residence. But again, stay with me. My purpose is to explore the possibility of creating legacies and generating wealth through home ownership. You trying to get some money or what? Happy to help. Make it a great day.